Hi, what are you doing? Are you playing? Are you playing? Here's your dinosaur. He's so funny. Isn't he? He's so funny. Yes, he is. Is he tickling you? Yeah. Is he tickling you? Is he tickling you? What do you have to say to that dinosaur? What are you going to say to him? Say, arr. Yeah. Say some more. Say some more. Oh my goodness. What else? You're ticklish, aren't you? You're ticklish. Yeah. Hi, Weston. Hi. Hi. What are you doing with that dinosaur? You gonna kiss him? Give him a big kiss. Give him a big kiss. There you go. Oh.